Deploying a sharded cluster using API involves 3 stages: configure the shard data servers, configure the shard master data server. If you want to include shard master app servers, configure them. First, configure the shard data servers. For each InterSystems Iris instance on a shard data server, create a shard namespace and its default globals database using the management portal. Then, open a terminal window and enable sharding using the $system.sharding.enable-sharding call. Restart the instance. Then you will want to configure the shard master data server. On the shard master data server, create the master namespace and default globals database using the management portal. Again, use the $system.sharding.enable-sharding call to enable sharding. Then restart the instance. Open terminal again and use the $system.sharding.assignShard call once for each shard data server to assign them to your new master namespace. Next, if you have shard master app servers, configure them as well. For each InterSystems Iris instance on a shard master app server, do the following. In a terminal window, use the $system.sharding.enable-sharding call to enable sharding, then restart the instance. Use the management portal to add the shard master data server as an ECP data server. Then configure both the default globals and the routines databases of the master namespace on the shard master data server as remote databases on the shard master app server. Finally, create a namespace on the shard master application server with the same name as the master namespace on the shard master data server. Specify the remote databases you added in the previous step as the default globals and routines databases of the new namespace. Finally, if you have shard master app servers, configure the load balancing mechanism for distributing application connections across them.